Hello everyone, congratulations to all the students who have successfully cleared NIFT Phase 1 exam. Your hard work has paid off. Now it's time to gear up for the next stage of the exam. NIFT Situation Test is just around the corner and the pressure is on. But don't worry, we have got the perfect tool to help you ace your Phase 2 exam. The SILICA Home Coaching Kit for NIFT Situation Test. This kit is your one-stop shop for getting that real situation test experience from the comfort of your own home. Imagine practicing with actual test-like exercises, mock exams, and tons of valuable resources, all designed by NIFT alumni who know exactly what it takes to succeed. This kit is more than just materials, it's your personalized pathway to NIFT success. So let's unbox the kit. Inside this kit, you will find everything you need to prepare for an NIFT situation test. So here are the 10 mock situation tests. Each one is unique, presenting you with the different materials and challenges, just like the actual exam. These tests are your training ground, helping you hone your time management, creative thinking, and design skills. These 10 tests are divided into 3 categories: beginner, advanced, and pro. The beginner test contains 3 to 4 materials, while the pro test contains 12 to 16 materials. The difficult level increases with each mock test. This progress tracker helps students navigate through the 10 mock tests. Additionally, you get a situation test workbook. Within it lies 15 solved situation tests and guidance on crafting creative write-ups. The materials like muslin cloth, scissor, plier, Fevicol tube, sandpaper, 6-inch scale, and cutter. Let's take a look at Pro Level Mock Situation Test number 8, which asks you to design a model for LGBTQ community with the following materials: A4 size thermocol sheet, A3 size card paper, toothpick, thick thread, black beads, tower pin, A4 size mount board, and some straws. Let's move to mock situation test number 9. Here, the challenge shifts to creating a stage for your favorite artist using the following materials: tissue paper, A4 mount board, block of clay, beads, tower pins, A4 size printing paper, A4 size cartridge sheets, thin aluminum wire, and color paper. I hope this unboxing video gave you a glimpse of how the SILICA Home Coaching Kit can empower your preparation. Remember, investing in your dream is investing in your future. Head over to www.silica.co.in to grab your kit today. Also, it is available on Amazon. So all the very